Thank you for taking the time to experience our online training. Whether it be for your own personal development or to transform your organization, our training is truly revolutionary. All of these courses address both the strategic concepts of their respective focus areas, as well as simple and sustainable tips to implement these concepts in the day-to-day operations of your organization. We have built the dynamics of an instructor-led learning experience into an affordable, stimulating, self-paced online learning environment. Through the power of gamified software, concepts are learned, reinforced, and applied through online interactive exercises, and then tested in offline day-to-day work activities. Our training courses focus on the following aspects of your business: strategy, culture, and organizational alignment, setting your company's course; culture, differentiating your organization; leadership, converting managers to leaders; and performance management, changing the mindset. Let's now take a look at the highlights of the training courses and the power of the platform. Here is your dashboard. When you log into your training courses, you will first be directed here. This gives you the ability to navigate from one course to the next and start the course you have selected. As you progress through the training, this is also where you will find the summary of your notes, or journal entries as they're called, taken within the training. Review your grades from your exercises and access your account. You can start and stop your learning experience at any time. The system will save your progress. To assist you with navigating the training, each course provides a couple of slides of direction. Here is an example. Each course includes an outline and objectives, all of which are unique to the topic and comprehensive to the content. Here is the outline for our strategy, culture, and organizational alignment course. Please pause the video to take as much time as you need to review this material. Here are the outline and objectives for our course specifically focused on culture. This slide shows the outline and objectives for our leadership course. And finally, our outline and objectives for our course on performance management. Using the Outline tab, you easily move backwards and forwards within the course to review concepts, your journal entries, and other information that may interest you again. As you can see from this example outline from our leadership course, each course includes an overview of the topic at hand, real-life stories or examples to drive home the lesson, tips to convert the strategic knowledge to practical application, and exercises to test your knowledge. Let's show you a few examples of what we mean using our leadership course as an example. Here is a slide where we provide an overview of the difference between a leader and a manager. As we mentioned, you can see here, as is the case with most of the overviews we provide within the training, the ability to take notes as journal entries to capture important insights into yourself and/or your organization, which will assist you in converting the strategic aspects of this training to practical application within your day-to-day activities. Connected to many concepts within each course are interactive exercises to test your knowledge on the topic at hand. Here is just one example of what an exercise will look like within our training. The next few slides show how our examples, tips, and exercises tie together. Here is a story or example as it relates to leveraging dissenting views within your organization to achieve greater results. Using this example as background, this slide shows the tips that you can use to better leverage dissent within your organization and/or team. Each tip is further explained in the following slides within the training. This is an example of the third tip you can use to leverage dissent. Once you have completed your review of the tips associated with the concept being taught, you will complete an exercise that takes you from this classroom experience to your individual, personal, day-to-day experiences. Many of the exercises require you to take what you have learned and apply them in your day-to-day activities and then record your progress within the training. We know, it's pretty cool stuff. Finally, training that you can actually use. And so that you and your manager can always refer back to your learning experience, use it as part of your development plan, and reference it as part of your performance review, your real-time exercises are summarized at the end of the training. Thank you again for taking the time to explore the power of our online training. We hope you found it useful and see the value that it can bring to your personal development or the development of your people.